Hi, this will be an overview of the features of the Tech Online site so you and your staff can have the best user experience from your investment. Once you have logged in, you have made it to the search homepage, where there will be three menu bars at the top that you use to make your search. From here you can search out for vehicle information. In the first box you must select the make of the vehicle you are looking for. If you click on the blue arrow, you can scroll down and find the vehicle you're looking for. Or alternatively, you can type in the box the first few letters. It will narrow the search down and you select the one you need. Then you move into the middle box where you can click on the arrow again and it will have loaded up all of the model variants related to that manufacturer. And so same again, you can scroll down and find the one you're looking for, click on it, or you can type in the first few letters, which will narrow the search down just for that model. The system will now have loaded all of the available categories where we have information in below. Now, if you want to actually narrow this search down even further, you can click in the last box over here for the series and year and scroll through and find the one you want. Or you can, if the model you want is just right here, you can click on it, or you can type in the first few letters. That will narrow that down. And the system now narrows the search down even further with just the information relating to this particular make, model and series of vehicle. Once you've completed your vehicle search, all of the articles we have in relation to this vehicle make, model and series are now loaded up. They are in convenient categories, and if you click on the heading, it will open up and allow you to see the different articles for the model variants with, in this case, transmission types, all listed nicely. To close that down, you click on the heading again. Same with engine management. If you click on that, it will give us the different engine types available for that model. Now, to open up one of these articles, you just click on that link and it will open the article in a new pop-up window. With the article open, it works the same way. If you click on the headings, all of the information will expand up. Click on the green button, it will close it down. Now, if there is a lot of information on that particular section, at the very top of the screen we have a search this page button. If you click in there, let's say we're looking for knock sensors, so we'll type in knock, click find, it will scroll down and it will find the word knock for us, which is knock sensors here. And in the corner it says it's one of 5. If there's another one, we just click find again, it goes to the next example of that word. So if you have a large amount of information, that's a very quick and simple way of finding the information on that particular page. Once you have found the information on the page you are looking for and you wish to print it out, let's just use oxygen sensors as an example, you have a few different options. If you scroll to the top of the page, there is a print button. If you click on print, you have either a view or an all button. When you click on view, it will open up with your printer options and it will just give you the view that is on the page currently. So we have component inspections, and that is a lot of pages potentially to be printed out. The trick to reduce the amount of pages you'll be printing is within this view, if we go cancel, now this will give us the basic view for the web page. Now we need to scroll up and we're looking for oxygen sensors. So we scroll up and we find heated oxygen sensors. Now if we highlight all of that, so just that one for the sensors there, now within the browser we go to the options over here and we go print. It will now give us the option of selecting selection only, and now we just have heated oxygen sensors. That's all we need, and it is just but one page, thereby reducing your printing costs. The second option we have up the top here in our printing options is print all. Now if I click on this, what it will do is it opens up all of the different categories we have, so the tune-up specs and fault code tables and everything. Now this will open up all of those and it will be many pages for you to print out. So if you have enough paper and ink, this is an option for you. Another printing option in the fault code table and in the pin data table. In both of these there is a click here for PDF version, which will be a PDF version of the data table. So if I click that, it'll open in a new window as a PDF format, which you can either print out or download using the browser options. At the bottom of all of our articles is the diagram section. So if I click on the heading, that'll open it up and show me all the diagrams related to this article. Now if I click on the link underneath the picture, it will open it up in a larger view, and that'll open in a new tab. So if I click on this one here, now if I want to print this out, I can do so by going to the printer options and selecting print to print that off. Once you are finished with this article, all you have to do now is scroll back to the top and there will be a big red X in the corner. If you click on this, it will shut down the pop-up window and return you to the search results page for our Holden Commodore, which we narrowed down before. If we want to return to the home page, we click on the home button here, and that will return us to the home page, clear out our boxes, ready for a fresh search to look for another car. Now that we're back at the search home screen, a few of the other features we have here are the Your Previous Views. This is similar to a favorite section where you will remember the last 6 articles that you have viewed. So if you click on the last one here, on the top one, it'll open up to the Commodore that we looked at recently without going through the search buttons. The recent updates are the articles that we at the technical department have updated or loaded onto the system, and this will change daily. Over here we have the Tech Talk link. If I click on this, it will reload the search menus here just to look for Tech Talk articles. If I click on the Body Tech link, it will change this to look for only Body Tech articles. If I click on the OEM Tech link, it will open in a new tab the OEM Tech website. If I return back to the Tech Online site, if I click on the Times Guide link, it will open up the Times Guide website in a new window to use this system. And to go back to Tech Online, I just go back to the tab that is up here in the corner. Now, this Tech Online system has 2 different sorts of feedback buttons. The first one is in an article itself. So within this article, at the very top here, there is a feedback button. As I click on that, it'll open in a new page, and it will automatically fill in your username details and the article link. So we can just type in the comments in the box and press send. That will send us an email with a link directly to this article, so we know which one you're exactly talking about. Now I click back here, up here on the home button. That will take me back to the home page. Now on the home page itself, there is another feedback button. This will not put any links into anywhere, but if you're having problems with the system or it's not working for you correctly or you disagree with something in it, please give us some feedback and we'll try to make this system as best as we can. And to get out of that, you just click on the home page to get back to the end. Now, also, we have a frequently asked questions button. So if there are any issues in relation to how you can't access it, have difficulties with the website, so this will give you a rundown on some specifications your computer might need and any other major questions. And so to click back on the home link here will take us back to the home page, or the very right back to the very start. And thank you very much for your time.